That you and I have no idea what it is.
I wonder how much this is picking up him and how much it's picking up her.
That's a good question. I reckon it'll get them both.
He's so conversational.
Mm.